Part 1, Creating a Campaign. Let's start by building out a new campaign. We're going to navigate to the campaign object, select New. We're going to name this Swarm Test Campaign 1. We're going to select this as Active. We're going to select this as In Progress. We don't really need a description. And for the start date, we will select Monday. We're going to hit Save. We're going to go to that campaign. We're going to add a new status. I'm going to call this Add to Campaign. We're going to hit Save. We're going to change the default status for the campaign. We're going to change it to Add to Campaign. I'm going to hit Save. And that completes adding a campaign. Part 2, fill in the campaign statuses. We are going to create 3 new statuses. The first status will be currently in campaign. We're going to add another status, which is email number 1 sent. And we're going to add another status, ready to talk. That completes adding statuses. Part 3, create a new lead. We are going to create a new lead. We're going to navigate to the lead object. We're going to select a new lead. We are going to put in a first name and a last name. We're going to put in so we know that that's tested for. We're going to leave the status as open. We're going to select the company, which is Test Company. We're going to put in my email address. We're going to select a product. We're going to select a lead source. And that will complete setting up a lead. Part 4, Journey Build Out, the entry event. Now we're going to build the journey entry event. So in Marketing Cloud, we're going to navigate to Journey Builder. We are going to select Create New Journey. It's going to be a multi-step journey. We're going to name this Swarm Test 1. We're going to save that journey into a test folder. We are going to drop over the Salesforce data entry event. We're going to click into that entry event. We're going to select Salesforce data. We are going to search for the campaign member object. We are going to select the lead who we're going to be sending this to. We're going to be selected leads that are is created and is updated. First thing we want to do is select our campaign ID for a specific campaign that we had created. We're going to select this. We're going to do equals. We're going to go back into the CRM environment. We're going to go back to our campaign and pull that campaign ID from the URL here. We're going to drop that into this space. Give it a second. Click on it here. Done. We're going to go to add the status. Drag that over. We're going to hit the pencil. We're going to do add to campaign. Select that here, done. We're going to go next. We don't need any additional filter criteria. We're going to want to personalize this with first name. And let's also get company name as well as data points. We're going to select next. Let's review what we've got here. This is going to the lead from the campaign member object whenever it's created or updated from our specific campaign with a status of add to campaign. And these are the entry dates that we're going to be using for our personalization. We're going to hit done. We're going to hit save. That completes the entry event portion. Part 5, Journey Build-Out, Decision Split, and Email. Let's build out the rest of the journey. First, we're going to add a decision split. Let's click in here. We're going to say email is not null. We're going to go select the email from the date extension, which is here. We're going to click into that. Is not null. Done. Summary. Let's hit save. We're going to bring in our email. We're going to select our email that's in our folder. We're going to select a generic sender profile. We can preview that email to see how this will look. All looks good. We're going to exit back out. We're going to select done. And last, we're going to do a campaign member update. We're going to select, we're going to do a simple update. We're going to select the campaign member ID. We're going to change the status to currently in campaign. We'll see that summary changing to currently in campaign. We'll select done. We're going to hit save. We're going to select these wait steps, change them to 1 minute. We're going to go into our journey settings. We're going to do re-entry only after exiting. We're going to validate the journey, and we're going to activate. And we're going to click on that ready to return to journey. Part 6, end-to-end test. Now to test our journey end-to-end, we're going to go back into the Salesforce CRM environment. We're going to go to the lead that we had created. We're going to select that lead. We're going to add it to the campaign. We're going to search for our Swarm Test 1 campaign. We're going to select the status of add to campaign, overwrite member status. We're going to submit that. Let's go into our Swarm test campaign just to validate that campaign member was added. We have a campaign member. Let's go back to the journey. We're going to hit view event results. We now see that the journey went through the entire canvas. Let's go back up to the campaign member and see if that got updated. We'll select our campaign member, and we now see that it's currently in campaign, and we received our email send. That wraps up the end-to-end test.